It's Sandra here, also known as Piece of Scrap. As you know, I shop at Goodwill daily on my lunch hour. I do have a full-time job and I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon in my spare time. So today I will take you along with me at Goodwill to see what I can find to flip for a profit. Also stick around to see which item eBay removed and told me not to relist as it goes against their safety policy. I start in the back of the store where they have all the new carts out with the fresh items to be put out for the day. I did find a Pendleton jacket on one of the new racks that did not appear to be marked up. Unmarked jackets are $7.50, so I went ahead and put that in the cart. I then move around. Ideally, I want to go to the left down the jean aisle, but there was someone standing there, so I take a right turn and browse through these t-shirts. That I thought maybe was Life is Good. However, it was not a Life is Good shirt, so I keep looking. American Eagle. My son is all over American Eagle right now. However, that was not his size. That I thought could be Fox Racing. However, it was not Fox Racing, so I let it go. I'm still heading down this aisle, heading towards the men's jeans over to the left. Here we are in the jeans aisle. These Levi Strauss catch my eye. I have had success selling Levi's. However, that was a very large size, and I'm finding that very large extreme sizes like 48 are difficult to sell. I probably should have picked up those 501 button fly jeans. However, I was not feeling it, so I let them go. Here I come across a pair of American Eagle denim jeans. I do pick those up. I've run comps for that in the store and they did look well, so those will go in the cart. I continue looking and come across a pair of Levi's, what I think are silver tab. Let me know your opinion. This is them there. Is that a silver tab? I know it's a black tab, but it has silver lettering. Does that qualify as a silver tab Levi? Leave a comment below and let me know. I am trying to expand my knowledge on Levi denim jeans. Next, we're back in the back at the hard goods section. Here they have a bunch of new with tag items that they've seemed to mark up for the holidays. Over here, there are photo frames and other household products. I do just skip over these as I don't see anything that catches my eye. The dollhouse in the back does catch my eye. It is rather large, so I don't know how I would ship such a thing, and it's only $20. I probably should have looked more into that to see if it was actually Disney or what brand that was, but I did pass it by considering it was so large. I always check the electronics. Sometimes you can find DVD players or VHS players for a good price back here. I do see one back there in the box, a DVD player that catches my eye. I have had an eBay listing removed that was for a DVD player. It was a Dura brand. Evidently, the Consumer Product Safety Council removed the listing as the product had been recalled. So with that in mind, I did not look into this DVD player. Here is the exact email that I received from eBay about the removal of the DVD player. It says, we had to remove your listing because it didn't follow our product safety policy. Recalled and other unsafe products aren't allowed on eBay. Now, again, I had no idea the DVD player was removed. Here is the item number that was removed. However, upon first glance, I had no idea what this item number was or what had been removed. So I continued reading the email, scrolling down, saying, cannot relist the items that they've ended. The items were recalled by the manufacturer. It also says, because you have not been aware of this policy, we're sending this notice to educate you about it and ask it that you follow the policy in the future. Listings that didn't follow this policy have ended, and they were not even listed in my unsold items. It does say that I received a credit for any associated fees, which was good. Scrolling down, I still have no idea what the item was that had been recalled. And then down here at the very bottom of the email, it does specify what the item is. Here's the item number, and it was the Durabrand DVD video player. So I will not relist this DVD player on eBay, and I probably won't sell it at all considering it has been recalled. So thankfully, this was not an eBay suspension or any worse. It was just a warning that the item had been removed. So thank you, eBay. I then move over to the shoes and pick up these Hokas. However, the soles do look worn. They were marked at just $6, but the soles look worn on those. I'm not sure. Would you guys have picked these up for $6? I ended up putting them back. And here I am just showing you what I have in my cart. I have a pair of American Eagle jeans and the Pendleton coat currently in my cart. I decided to go look through the athletic wear yoga pants. Sometimes I find Athleta or even Lululemon back in here. There is a pair of Nike Pro leggings that I pass by. Not really seeing anything. Like I said, I did pick up 2 pair of Athleta in here the other day, so I kind of was on the lookout for that. Usually when you find one, you can find more than one, but no luck on today's run. I then head over to the women's shoe rack. Here is a pair of Merrell shoes marked for $5. The soles do look good. So I'm going to pick those up and put them in my cart and then check the style number on the inside of the shoe. The style number checked back to a Plaza Saddle Merrell shoe. So the comps I did run in the store. As you can see, they were about $13 plus shipping. Like I said, the shoes were $5. So I did put them back and did not take the chance on those Merrell Mary Jane shoes. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to play a game I call Buy or Pass on my Instagram story, where I ask my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on an item in the thrift store. So I asked Instagram if they would buy or pass on the Pendleton wool coat. 77% said buy, while 23% said pass. Stick around to the end of the video to see what happened with this wool coat. I did ask Instagram if they would buy or pass on the Merrell shoes for $5. 44% said buy, while 56% said pass. And spoiler alert, I found some Build-A-Bear dolls in the toys section. They were marked $2 each. 56% of the Instagram followers said buy, while 44% said pass. So really the only overwhelming response was for the Pendleton coat. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm at piece.of.scrap, and I will have that linked in the description below. I then move over to the toys and find these Build-A-Bear plush. As you can see, they're quite dirty. However, they are trolls. I believe this is Poppy, and I'm not sure who the blue one is. They were marked $2 each. And yes, Goodwill does write the price right on the tag. I ran comps in the store and they didn't look too bad. $25 plus $6 shipping for the pair. However, they were pretty dirty and I just wasn't feeling it, so I let them go. Leave a comment below and let me know if you would have picked them up for $4 for the pair to resell on eBay. So I left there. I spent about 30 minutes in there. I left there with a pair of jeans for $4.50. Once I got to the checkout, they wanted to charge me $10 for the Pendleton coat, which probably wasn't a bad deal. However, coats at this Goodwill were $7.50, but she's tend to mark it up at the checkout. So I said thanks, but no thanks, I'll pass. And I left there with just a pair of jeans. So some days at Goodwill are better than others. This was not one of those days. It does get better though, I promise. I spent $74 in there one day and over $100 in there not too long ago. So it can be hit or miss. This is the only Goodwill here in town, so my resources are limited. Do hit that notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. It's bound to get better than this. And many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I'm trying to grow my channel and need all the help I can get. Thank you for watching.